Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete the unwanted columns on your canvas sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to delete the columns in your canvas sheets on your computer. So for an example, here I have a data on B column, C column, D column, and G and H. So instead of wasting the column like A, E, F, I just want to delete it. Instead of moving the columns, you can just easily delete the column by just selecting and clicking on a single click. For example, just need to delete a particular single column like F column. Just click on the F first and right click here. You have this option called delete the column. Click this, which will delete the column. If I just need a multiple column, just need to delete it. Select A, then press the control option on your keyboard, then select E, and then right click on your select E and right click on your mouse. You have this option called delete two columns. Click this. This will delete columns I just selected. This is how you just delete the column. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.